McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share.
Hello, McBrown's Kitchen near Busianfo. And that's why I say she am in na ama ajeman McBrown. What bet me no Mrs. Mensana Empress ni na meje so. And that's so me the McBrown's Kitchen brewa. Wonim dada saka emu na kitchen wo. And ye nam na ye nu aduane ko. And that's so me superstar ba ko na e ba be nu aduane. High sense adaroma. And am timi de McBrown's Kitchen brew. Na ura hope obehu TV, obenya phone, obenya fridge, bibia open electronics, bi obenya high sense. Sa and a tasty tom, the only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. Ento say wo konkomo ayedi ne ne. Eno na hoden wom. Ento si bia wo dwamu bia no me na na me ka tro say wo san tasty tom ho a ene ene ware because wo di aduane a etu into kolane say more jollof. Delay mackerel na pardon penim, delay sardine peche like that. I don't see a day. It was just so to be near more fear delay naja what I say na juma nkoso. Now show me high sense fridge in one. Me wa awake purified water. I work in super panel. I work in Sia no man na dwen ho. Enso we na otope. Ye yisu bi aboa no quarterly bi ayekwa lebu cardio center e de koboa. Ye nuanom ye maamem ye papa mo a wo makoma ho atechema. Ye de boa wo mu. Enso a wo no man na dwen obi obi yare ho. I work one for life. Sa na oni ne nuamo. Royal drinks, royal apple, royal red grape, your royal cola, and a royal orange cocktail. Nini na bi ho. Ebusuafo me nchekra, but ansa na mekono nyonyo. Me de aseda e ma nyonyo. Nyonyo na mami crew aduane. Nyonyo wa East Legon, nyonyo ye aduane papa. Nyonyo aduane ye de. Nyonyo be ho mo. Or sour restaurant ho. Ko Instagram obehu no. Aligina makeover and a charm shining. What I say? Mo amunim se Ghana de me makeup artist e ba ko pe. Aligina no na awukumi up sa. Where so the McBrown wardrobe? Ya kona sa what I say? La Palm Royal Beach Hotel summer say and asa McBrown's Kitchen ye twen ho aba. Ya ba sisia. Wo mabusia mo no. Obia pa de pa bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, ade pepia ye ma mebusia no. Me pe no bebre. Enu ti eba na aduane no ade a. Me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber. Ye ma nipadua no wo mu. When you nechi die bio na mehwehwe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use enriched tasty tom, tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom, emediane yede, eyema oso.
Say dear, obia ti ase. Efie bi a wa Ghana hia air condition. If you say wo, you're using high sense air condition. Ono na ye guy. Say so dear, ye the gold plated condenser pipes and na ye high sense air condition. And no tire say, uba room apepem asiesie. Still, na ho de ni gina. High sense air condition. Effect. Entry power, a wedjuma, like chile. Photo high sense air conditioner. You have 5 years warranty. Your professional installers and a member installer free. Available. 51st October, I come 31st October. We're a high sense showroom here. Madam High Sense, Matitis Wamamuse. F. Toby Fa, not Toby Che. Available. 0302 55 0000. Hi, sir.
351251.
McBrown's Kitchen, Abusuafo. Yakwaba. Sabre de ye baba no aduane. It's a simple one. Mama fa ni jenhia me guest. Ne ho afa ye. Na no ne brofo de. Mo amonta ante so o ka twi no. What twi pa. Ya fa ni jenhia Berla Mundi. Oh, sexy Berla. And I am you. And then, ever back on. So I am miss for me one.
Me patron.
And me miss quadra so. Hey, Obia and Chame. Tracy started Yanum say what did it? Why we me? Contestant in our coffee could die.
Hey,
Obia
and they're still renew. I say upgrade you, Miss Ghana. Papa.
Miss Ghana, no age in a beat to me.
When you she.
Sa, met me home. Yeah, near Beko. Berla Kwaba.
Thank you.
McBrown's kitchen.
Thank you.
Me patron paying for say. As I meant to me more Kwaba, bra me monsieur. Why am in your idea? Me pass a menu a ketoa. Madam and so free you. You've been a no mamma what? Drink home, but me so be person or be no monsieur.
Mammy no monsieur.
Ah, Nancy. Aye. Mama chili be powder up a chill.
I am a chilled one. Okay, and then for we share and replace it. Thank you.
Sa. Berla Mundi, Miss everyone, me this morning.
Oh, don't worry.
I was your for. Ababa, some can send home for someone more channel. One who send him more fair. Berla, McBrown's kitchen, you.
Very lovely kitchen.
And what come home?
Oh, sir, it's really nice. It's really nice.
Bibi, I have air condition.
And you're here.
But no open space, no. Me say, can you check me?
Say, best me the ashe baby. Now you the glass ashe ha so it will block the air from going out.
That's why a picture and bet me a black.
That's true, actually.
But Berla, now what about McBrown's kitchen? You have no idea, no.
Me patron.
Hey, and the young way inside.
Okay. Anyway.
Wow. I was here for a minute, Berla Mundi, beautiful Berla. And then, Menino ever born Comono. Why I miss if any beer. One of the miss. Want to say, what I say.
Oh, but that was how many years ago? See, I did say, my palm, Miss Age, ne beating me.
Debbie Berla, so at least you won't for stage, you know. Berla no pay baba no ade wi e be no ade.
Okay. So pardon me twi nya papa nti me de be
ene twi no 100% mama.
Okay.
As a challenge we na wa ba.
Enuanom ne adofo no. Hey, what was I going to say? So today we're going to do octopus. And how do you say octopus in Twi?
Suomunam. Ne ho
defe ne ho ye fa.
Mr. Mundi am me octopus to di one Mr.
Yes, but you better octopus, shrimp and sausage fried rice.
Octopus, shrimp, sausage, fried rice. Na se kwan wo de no bia na wo de no style.
There be me de no style no different because you be we na yes a jollof, yes a fried rice all together.
Wow.
It's not the regular one.
Oh, okay. Okay. Inti ene ebusa for we ye nche wo ho me wa.
Oh, not at
because
all.
Because Berla we are very
quick.
busy.
Ampa.
Why to say me ye ni adaje.
Sir.
Inti no ne ye be hwe waduan no pa na ya ye bi. Wait, okay, what they say, yeah, call. Let's start the same.
Because say monanta because that's what we'll need at the end. Then we'll say take it time.
Take it time. Nice. We want the enche.
We dear, ye be fryer blending your man no. But basically, nancy I may pay way and say, once like you said, more busy schedule. Until unya time in radio and it's a year fin our point 11 p.m. Now Baba radio and as wedding. Until we saw the show fridge more. Open us a coffee. You can just warm a little.
Next and now we crack why is a school for aduane adwuma for aduane I mean family food so
and it's full of a lot of vitamins and because we have a lot of vegetables near there
me quite one who fair beat me ya mo bonne ma de ye aduane so Berla na ye bobo ye ingredients
okay yeah were carrots there was some pepper onions and ginger and garlic into you bet sure how we'll do it later with our rice of course there was some sweet corn biwaha sweet corn there me pepper tea. It's important say de bia ye de be ye aduane and I have green peas as well which is also very healthy.
Yes.
And I have sausage, shrimps and octopus. And of course we'll use a bit of a tasty tom. And I have my spice. And we're good to go and some oil to fry.
Okay.
Me pacho you.
So the rice we cook the rice first or then the broth on us.
Yeah, the mono bear shemu first. Yeah, no mono first.
Berla Mundi. And no dia na odi power.
I am TV. Go. I am TV. Na madam for being a frame. Until me started TV no bisa myself. What do I usually don't like to wash my rice.
Yeah.
We say mo pad dia and what say obe wash it.
Mo powder bones e bibia ani.
Okay.
And TV din
madam
for the ma. But
oh, thank you very much.
Ama was a Spanish.
Oh, who say
Barbados.
Nkofo bisa say am I a Ghanaian na? But I am. Me en crying. Oops. Me en crying.
No be say within the other day.
I friend me Berla the other day.
Na en kan photo other day.
I
Sa.
en crying kobo. It's combined. So
okay.
Yeah.
Into passport mu there Berla the other day.
Yes.
By your TV so there. Berla Mundi.
But Berla am din inti eno there. I mean, I've always been called Berla.
Okay. Berla no so esa fatao.
Medasi.
French word that says a beauty.
Ampa.
And that says
and I'm Mundi near world. So I say Berla's
world beauty.
Exactly.
That's a world beauty. And a Berla's world.
Berla's
beautiful
world. Beautiful. Una waka say.
Beautiful
world. And
wow. Ebusha for mono near going to say ne. Uko hisense na wo to rice cooker and a pressure cooker ya. Umia rice no away. RIC cook rice. No me start. No you were near mano. And no baby no ababe no be no. Where we?
All right, me per se starting near blend the way no.
Okay.
Before I start frying.
And the opposite of blend be mama.
Okay, Mati.
Mama na. Madam Hisense me blender yi. Me blending say
yeah, wash it adanti.
Yeah, wash it be beer. Wow.
Yeah.
I was for Berla ne broth nyina echi no. Osa akojade. O be near my because na Berla wunyini wan.
So many places in Minnie or North Carnation and I'm a bar cantonment, Mataigo and Teshi.
Nice and cry again.
I ain't crying.
Fully a cry.
Yes.
Oh, what was the last time I cooked Kumasi? Oh,
Kumasi last weekend.
No, apart from TV, you may do cook Kumasi.
Oh, last weekend. There be nothing cook Kumasi that. And said, Mr. TV now, Mr. Kumasi. That was just recently. Yeah, me pepper pie.
So pay me pay. And then next crowd here with you and nam no.
Exactly. I was saying shit on the comb. And let me add one bell pepper to it.
Okay.
All right. Blend the mommy.
You. Tia blend no bibi wo ha be ya na min soja na so be.
Me pacho mami cat e octopus no.
Octopus.
It's
so akwa we na ko share World Cup bo bi abuka. Eso nti amfa no nyina ho anan.
Eso nti e betwa kakra bi.
E betwa bi. Okay. Okay. Oh, kakra
ya de bi beka on because it's a money doso.
Money doso.
Okay.
Oh, me so mu. Ti e betwitwa no.
Nkitten. Ade no ba chi ewie kra na ashrinki sa na nam TNT.
Oh, okay.
Depending on size I will pay. Me penam renti eja.
What say dem na hu say. Wonam no. Me pa cho octopus. Spell me octopus. Where you are?
Why are you going to worry people this afternoon?
There was some nigga on a phone na hwe just say dread and so anu me die jo.
And be mo bi ebi.
Bella nshabo.
Ye be maka kra.
Eja ko na cause me nshabo.
Ye be maka kra bi pe. Until pe so tasty out there, bra. Find us wherever we are and just come.
Inti nam no ye twitwa octopus no. Ye twitwa octopus na say ededem. Come up.
Okay. I'll fry it directly.
Okay.
Before I made this spice, ebegu ho. Because no pese ho yi kakra, echi kakra nta.
And ye be fry e wa hase. Ye be chi octopus. No.
I'm pouring the water out.
Okay. Me say Berla na tra na katwi o.
Me hwe nsuo na free ho.
Tra na katwi na. Me
twi na na ye ka mitumi den kan fra.
What about you?
What we gamo?
Bona.
Gani wio.
Bona no ninjo.
No ga.
Na de me kana ya. Berla be ku yo ko no ga. You know fio.
Lebi na mi no yi.
Lebi na ye wache. Nimimba mama ye. Bona.
Okay. Sure, what no for no fine.
Very fine.
Debbie na okay cheat.
Says I do have one tiase.
Oh, Betty ase.
Oh, Debbie, esa ayi. Kumasa for ne bono for is ready for.
Omo tinkan yo. Share.
I have to represent them.
Some who can ban us and who ye fena some
no mas we se oh. E wa ka oile ema. Chinsemi.
Wo mene do.
Ke do pe na ese.
Keke wo ke lo e o mi.
O fa ne femo lo ya ne e ka tutu shishibu.
Shampoo momo. Moko biyo. Oh, Debbie, o de manu ye.
Oh ya TV ke radio no instrumo no.
Efe no ko.
O tadi ba fike. Ana esa. Me le said o tia se bi afan sa o so pa.
On pesa matare no be
e mu besere.
Aha.
Mu beta. Oyo no be kekam. Inti Accra girl.
Yes.
And I go school way.
Pacho, met me low, Janaka.
Yeah, middle one, Fabra. Voila.
Yeah.
In what school year?
In start here, St. Teresa's.
St. Teresa's, can I see a German? No, can I see no?
One fake. Primary and JSS, Jemmy. Chimota Secondary School.
Bon.
Yes, after that, University of Ghana.
Bon.
And you're back in school, Eko, me for PR.
PR?
Yes, for my master's.
Mini GPR?
Public relations. It was more of a corporate thing, how to relate to people when it comes to. Naturally, nyame the best trial, but I was someone soon and confession no the kahona.
Na wo say nya certificate no so to ho. Bona
ampa.
Koni am come wie aka mi in school year master bon wo ba nya ka me akwa mi so me year masters.
I mean it's important. I don't think Jindi say school konkwan na ma oye obi because obi so de nyame de ehia na dada. Nti bibi kakra bi pe obeta actually. Anyway, whilst we were chatting me pese ye shrimps no.
Okay.
Nti nyame pene say ye be yi head no. But me pese ye beto actually ye be yi any free ho then we blend this one. Boy.
It means say be blend we from Ekono
me pacho me pese ye the fra.
Yeah, the fra. Oh, that's nice.
But no ne any baby kakra bi because shrimp is quite strong. So it depends on who ne nia ope.
Okay.
Taste out.
Oh, okay. Wow. Berla ni na wo buy.
Me share that buy pa.
Wo buy pa.
E was say me impressive. Na eja obi an hu say.
And na trese won say enye me mkwa me keke. Ghana for nyina show. Sometimes they wonder if aside the makeup and the TV and the hills,
you have any home training. Oh, of course.
And when they get to see that, they get to love you more.
Of course.
More because we go to wow. Where do you na me ka say? And I mean nim so ni mediane yo but wow, you said in sacred. Oh, I was say you shrimp na chino. Oh, Belinda, you came. You came.
Not everybody likes it like that. And depending on you.
Because I am pa. When you train no.
Obi say Mrs. I say Odina say train no ho an minimum be keka na sa. Nti oh yeah, I was say
we training na. Wow. To say Bella, then now we party to what takes your time? Then a phone repair.
Radio and TV, both of them. Because me hear radio every day. See, I'm a movie to Star FM. First, now me were live. But me hear drive time was Star FM from 2 to 5. Until every Monday to Friday, no. Me were air 2 to 5. Except say Mondays, no. And me late afternoon show no call live at 4 p.m. on GH1. Until I know me hear radio no once just 1 hour on Mondays and Fridays.
Oh, okay.
Now I TV. TV na live from 4 to 5.
Every day.
Just Mondays and Fridays.
Mondays and
Fridays. Even demanding pint. Say, okay, so every day. Now, sure, now me so I require a lot of resource people because I say recently you discussed polygamy, which is nipple why more than one. Instead, no say, I was so young crofwa.
Experience.
I was so poor beer. Or tifie bakomo with niknu ni other you have to get an Islamic scholar. Was so unya pastor no so ma on the view. Now I a lawyer. I'll be catch us say okay. So when I person we are and you be a mamre pene so say obetumi ayana.
Okay.
Oh, but radio so you're very exciting because me co-presenter Giovanni. Oh, you're a very interesting guy. See,
oh, okay.
Jimmy no so do fine.
What you doing?
So, oh yeah, I gbeni. Elolo.
Before so
Elolo.
Oh, okay.
Nti a jelly pine a viruski and a DJ. So yeah, we enjoy ourselves on radio too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But aside that, I have my BU campaign that I do. I started last year. Me mentor young girls.
BU.
Yes.
BU. Ya wan kasa wo ho. What you say?
Exactly. Men hwe ne obi ye.
Hwe de obi ye.
Yeah. Nya me de hwra no.
Yes, so
na build upon it. Yes. So that's the whole idea.
Let me check.
Let me check.
Hey, you octopus no.
Oh.
Okay.
It's looking really nice. Amma in a color kakanti and also benya color no.
It's say me be blend shrimp niti no aka.
So that we can pour it on the octopus.
Okay. And then me be didi pa o. Me be didi pa. The way octopus e be ma show you so that.
Sa me na me first. Oh nice.
Yeah. Spices na octopus na ho. Oh. Wow.
Nice. Okay, mommy holding on to it now.
So be here.
Let me taste it first now. Okay. Yes, octopus sauce.
Octopus
but
sauce.
But it's only in our between. Into a very thick kakra.
Okay. And where the another to where she fridge na the pankola no ko school.
Exactly.
And then she fridge him.
Now I cry ready. So we will fear. And the bia na obedi benkune.
You know.
Come kekina. Sometimes no say nipa the idea for me.
But come here say no yele tomorrow afternoon bona.
Dabi. Hey, come here banyo ele lebi man kwa. Obanyo ele beke.
Lebi ke afternoon beke. Boy ko ye come tomorrow 3-4 times eh. O stomach eh. E ba jump up.
Oh no. Ain't jump out.
Ko yele tomorrow 10 o'clock kanini.
Oh, meda sorry na echo down.
You are defending your food.
Yes. E wonya ya come dani.
Ya shrimp no ye bubu ewie me boa bela.
Ye bubu ewie. Nya ye nya na ye.
De nya na ye.
I think say.
Okay.
Media no so begum.
Media no so
It looks so nice.
Octopus.
Nya me ne say. Because the yes sauce no.
Yeah.
The person with this small
shrimp powder go. Salt so ne sin chanti no say ne. Opa no so bia. But then yeah mono so and then no come on. I wish you for Berla Mundi, TV presenter on GH1 and Star FM radio presenter.
Yes.
Ready? So say, the new doors. What is McBrown's? Me didn't hear.
You see, we do a lot of work. And they be an go for say, hey, into one ray.
What bread? Embraces ya.
There were a lot of years to go.
Yes. It was Bella. Oh, mammy. Boji, one child, alone.
That be me third child.
Third child.
Third born.
Now, Mudos one.
Yeah, me and son.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me and son. Me na me last.
Wow. All ladies or mixed?
One guy and 2 ladies. So I'm one of the ladies.
So, Bella, baby, I do near you.
All right. Me person me chicha we no, but I just want to put a little of a. In terms of me can earlier say a bit to say jollof fried rice in between.
Okay.
Into kakrebi pe, just to.
Where easy open.
Okay. So nails ninti.
Aye. But the nails no can say oh the way ni pagana kakrebi no ayi see. No ayi see. Very easy.
Nti one person e be too stewy no. Kakrebi pe. Na odi egum.
Tasty tom kakrebi e kom. That man color. All right. Said that they be a mechano. The only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. You do say fiber and then toast no so we say no what tiagu plastic mu. Now they are chef fridge. And man what can ni musa why me pa mu chopi.
Nti no me be cut carrots no.
Okay.
But me no round till a bit depending on this and your carrots. Me penno say a didemu.
You bet you try a sausage no so now no be come straight.
There be a bit try. You bet you try.
Oh, okay. And then my make sure money more. Wow. Being the wait, how is it? Any mistake though?
Is the salt content okay too?
Very.
All right. Because salt's better handsome. Yeah, and what's the only mono with too salty. And yes, I bet baby brain. Low, mommy, why?
Wow.
Okay. I think that.
Oh, okay.
He is enough.
It's okay.
So what I'll do is let's start to the gum. Yeah.
Because it
Nenye tender. Nenye tender kaka.
Tender na de senua enye mre. And also enye ding. At the same time spices no so.
The whole idea is to feel dear.
Obe tine dem. Na wasa tino le obe gregro.
Aye.
No so you feel gregro. Spell me gregro.
GREW gregro. Yeah. Yeah. I said maybe we mun nyina go mo so. Na ni nyina mix
green pea no be come.
Yes.
All right. Na sweet corn also aba.
We'll just add the rice. But the whole idea of adding these vegetables aside say ebema vitamins na there no. E ma color so be aduane. Me pacho menya eyi. I want to just fry the sausage kakra bi and sana me dey.
Uni how?
Okay.
Asama. Ti afa ye betwitwa ye sausage no. Okay, me pesa me hwesa de wo betwitwa no na ja.
Okay.
So me se me sua. And me sua free one.
Oh, sausage dey to me twa na anyhow. Okay, ebi mo twa no round. Ebi mo so ye no
straight, ebi mo slanted.
It may slanted.
Okay.
Nema ediane no sam eyi kaka. Style kaka.
Oh, okay. Okay, anyway, they say me to me.
The sausage no aka ya salty dada. Nti ehun hia say odi bibia be ka ho.
Yeah. Pacha ya we sausage.
Me pacha.
Okay.
E be fry na kakra bi pansan e dey gu. Wait so.
Wow.
This looks nice.
Wow, Bella, wa mo di ania ya ni bread. Na o taste no bibia wanya no pepper.
Me the pepper kakra be me twitwa pepper egu so.
Oh, okay.
Nema no. Me pepper pine.
And say we ye we what we the dish to be ana bibi ana.
Okay, yeah, you can do that as well. But ebi ana won so won pe enyo bi ana pe black pepper near mo. Me say me share am pe black pepper with rice. But it be go home just for those who, you know, like pepper.
Like pepper.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I do near betwitwa meko.
Oh, not too much though. And yes,
okay.
I know be should do.
Bella na me pacho musicians that work Ghana. Mommy, your favorite two.
Hey.
And now me more 10.
This one me 10 because I'm Dawson. From old school, I mean me pay Oforian Ponsanyo. Me kai say na me papa wo ne album. Inti de bia na yebo.
Okay.
You know, one of his songs I me pay Emanuela. Okay. I like those ones, yes. Yeah.
And now say what for example, you are born in your back
me dasi.
And he
Ubeba boy Manuela mami.
Manuela
from Euphoria Bonza.
Okay.
Me sanso pe Stone Boy.
Stone Boy. Did you Manuela mama? Baby o be a cheno bra.
Stone Boy o be a oye conscious music mami. Like
Stone Boy.
Utie ni nyoma. Inti me nye surprise say Reverend Eastwood Anaba. Na nyoma me pe woni hoye don't call my name.
Don't call my name.
If you know how with me. I said the society we live in no.
They don't know you, but the moment almost once and back, then they try to read your bio.
Exactly. Meanwhile, you don't know what I've been through to get to where I am. So if you don't have any good intentions for me, don't come and spoil my name,
if you don't with me from the beginning.
Yeah. I like that.
What a shame.
But I could go on and on. Sakode is another favorite of mine.
Hey, Obede, number one. I'm the best MC. Don't test me.
Oh, Trase.
Debbie Mihiano.
He has to come. Oh no, I'm sure it's a very jollof now. Because I'm not. I hope he comes. Then you might pay Love Yourself.
Love Yourself.
It's my theme song for BU, and it's on his highest album. It talks about women and how we don't have to wait.
Beat you know, Love Yourself. One line be na chorus na.
Into okay. I don't know. I don't two sports to say.
So the BU team say team.
You want somebody else to love you. Or person someone who say you're beautiful. Not possible without you. Something. Love yourself. If it was playing, I would have tried to, you know.
So it's one my three.
Oh, man, so me poem, you know, I think Adina is doing really well.
Adina.
Oh, I love her music. Yeah.
Baby boy.
You gave me all I had. Baby boy.
Auntie Adina. But baby, do you
a fry fine.
Medum no.
Medum.
Oh, okay.
Edum kumasi.
Eti ya de sausage na ya chi no. Eko. Yeah, octopus and I sauce no. Octopus shrimp vegetables no. Wow. And the ani be here. Baby, I want the minim say o na na mai. Tin o ya kasi.
Oh, you're not big. You're not really.
I'll put you on weight and say you.
No, I think you're fine.
Oh, Bella.
And he found I said a training there was said, but I was saying one man. You understand? Exactly. Hey, who shake it?
Kakra na o. Inti every Adina ya quick one.
In Bana me pay ya.
Yeah.
Oh, I love all the women. If you're Becca. Uma Melissa, I'm saying man with best 100. I love all of them, especially the Ghanaian artists.
Me pa DJ, why we Manuela?
Me pa
no. When you know? And you want me? Bo Manuela mame.
1 minute.
Collaborate and listen. Let's go.
Until we say we running me, and you might was so bold. Who me will crumple no or so.
Oh, we application like that. Emmanuel,
I love that. I was say deba. So the money ba.
Me the money.
So ba na me did why.
Bella, we are more you. Don't worry.
Now it's time to pour the rice into
the sauce.
Quite hot though.
Very. Okay. So, if you don't mind,
can you help me?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Like they say, you know, sometimes you have to be healthy. So too much oil is not too good. Until kakana or the fry from the beginning. And let's say we didn't now dry too much.
Okay.
Now they maybe like a spoonful of oil. But other than that, no, I think say everything is intact.
Until basa. And I'm a titimu when if I fry.
Okay.
I'm a titimu. Not as I say, near corner. Oh, Bella, dear, bed.
That's it. Semi jollof, semi fried rice.
Semi jollof, semi fried rice, you know. And no. More rice?
Yeah, bring more.
And no, sir, now sauce, Miss. I know it's
what to make sauce, you to make this whole. Instead, say, there, money be fried carno.
Yeah.
Now, yes, I will sauce with rice.
Okay.
Let
wow. I was here for Dania Cono. A 2 family when you must swear. Tessa, you do addition as well. You go see me. Some may busy what happened.
So, mammy. Oh, me no, they be back with you, Mao. Nana, say, I think we're good, and I'm crying. I can't make the call. I don't be a mechanic, mammy.
Lunch.
Debbie, me not make us have lunch.
Hey, Mama said, they'll be me. Say, I was almost tasting or feeling. Anyway, to me, jam won't be right.
I think we're fine.
Okay. Wow. Berla Mundi. Cafe dear. Baby a dream. Baby, mamma, and as everything.
Can make us it is winter into me mouth. To bus it. My Mary, dear answer.
Maybe what are you adding? What are you? What are you? Yeah. The Matiama or Rebel. Be a fine mouth. Into a dinner, into Sabre, your best and I bet Jesus on a bend. The engines is on your eager. What am I saying? When it's sick to be a sending more video. Coffee better than coffee, my jibobiana. Masaki boy, what happened? Where come and I am me. I was have 1 year, Uncle 1 year of war. Baby, I do. Bella Egbena. Egbena cry. A whole near Palma. Why didn't you? Why didn't you? A 2 pampine. Bona pampine a 2. What is pampine? Scent. Scent. Ejengma bona. Nakanita me ewie answer me fair. And no Wagbena. Since I know a fall up buna. Kone honey heat penetrate to the top. In the marble for fine. No, okay, babuna fine. Okay, babuna. No, tell me here. Okay, babuna fine. Ona. Kone ebe. Newa no na shishie. Bona. Abana shishi bia. Fine ngbe cover yo. Cover no ne. Ewa wagbe na Ofane. Wamba waba ye ni. Ye be didi. Wanko no ya commercials. No beko, no ba fe edition. Ah. O wa fe mini edition. Edition is eating. O wa tini wo ye. And no segment about edition. Okay. Bona no ninja. You know. Why am I about edition? No about edition. Let's say we shall for baby do Berla Jan and Abin. Into the year try wants to see our ba. Ya baba na say ye did it we quick food.
Wo ma busi amono. Obia pa de pa bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear. Ade pebia yema mebusua no me pe no bebre enu ti eba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty tom enriched tomato mix enya aduane no de keke o enuane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu wenyi na chi die bio na me hwehwe
more jollof.
Emra so say we super use enriched tasty tom tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu tasty tom emediane yede eyema oso say dia obia ti ase efie bia wa Ghana hia air condition if you say o hyew you're using high sense air condition ono na ye guy say so dia ye the gold plated condenser pipes and na ye high sense air condition and no tire say wo ba hu apepem asiesie still na ho de ni gina high sense air condition effect and cheap power adwuma na chile photo high sense air conditioner you have 5 years warranty your professional installers and the man be install free after 51st October according 31st October we were high sense showroom bia madam high sense matete so mamu say F to be far na to be che after Friday 0302 55 0000 high sense
351 251. Sardine, peche like that.
McBrown's kitchen, Adiana Pado, McBrown's kitchen. Amrena so I will say for this is the edition. Amrena so say a bedidi, many Berla Mundi, Mediana no minim say wa ma okonado. But you know, so simple say also bet me I will fear. Now when you was for I mean, they qualify for dinner, I call for lunch, I call for breakfast, I call for college to school. You know, a simple food, Uber to me, I yebi. Me that's so here McBrown's kitchen, mommy. Sana madam aboa for say high sense. Everyday prices. Me are everyday people. When I can say everyday prices, everyday people. You know, Uber high sense showroom wa. Ya niema no nyina ya tete so say who. Na me kai will say, tasty Tom. And toast tobacco would just vitamins and fiber shemuma. More jollof. Tasty Tom, good for you. Delay mackerel, delay sardine. Now pardon penny chair like that. And awake purified water. You better not say awake. Awake, dear. Me say, oh no. Now our journey will be so IRS. One for life. What tobacco pay ye kakra at the ma Kwalebu Cardiothoracic Center at the bois. Yenuano, your mammy, me adofo mania, akumaho, chibia. Na Bella, Mefrel, so obey me.
Okay.
And Lydia moi.
All right.
With all due respect.
Okay.
Honey, thank you so much for gracing McBrown's kitchen.
Thank you for inviting me.
You know, and it's a very. Now, Bella, my sponsors, High Sense. High Sense, say, me mouth.
Oh,
Kukai.
that's nice. Thank you.
Sa tu bena kukai.
All right.
Bella,
thank you.
Pacho use mame.
Mate.
Ne di ho adanse mame.
Mate.
Na e wo High Sense showroom wo benya bi ato.
Thank you.
Sa na. Yes, me fa amcom iron in count.
Okay.
Iron yi said the open life yi. The beer, fire, yeah, McBrown.
I know.
McBrown's kitchen. Oh, High Sense, Yami Shamo.
Thank you.
A brand new. A shana rubber moon. Me sissy. Me boo. A new one.
All right.
Just a new one. Brand new.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is the only show, cooking show I will buy.
Actually, you go with a lot of gifts. But
Bella, I'm sorry, I'm about late after show. Mama,
Memo, oh, memory. Memo. Open out to me the table on the cock.
If we hope Oshaha a casa preconsano ejuma. Awake purified water.
Thank you.
One in your royal drinks.
All right.
Where your royal red grape,
Okay.
royal apple. That they can't see you now awake home.
Thank you very much, Mate.
Let your own no man know what
Mate.
Sir.
Thank you.
Na me you.
Okay.
And I'm a tree.
Over my Range Rover na. Na sa if how dey ma o ka kinu.
Na umpa me ka we.
Dey be me pe ba kono.
Umpa dey condition. Bella.
Yes.
Actually, if we tasty Tom.
Oh, thank you so much.
Tasty Tom send me from mouth.
Thank you.
Nah, I just would give your love. Who the past?
I know.
Okay. You're a young child.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
We remove our stomach to give
to me. Thank you. All right.
If you hop you know delay.
Most. Oh, of course I know delay, and delay. I love it. Yes, I know delay.
And this is also from delay.
Thank you. Delay mackerel nampa.
Don't penny.
Yes.
And then the side is picture like that.
Yeah. Thank you.
Never yet, Diana, and I would dear, but who said, I know you
Amen.
Delay mackerel. If you are sure, Bella das.
Thank you very much.
Kid be see her.
Yeah, and I'm over. I'm cast out the fridge in the back home.
So bet me a swat.
Oh, I have to carry it myself. No problem.
Bella. Guy. As I got a Bobaka said, we will live at it.
I know, right?
Yeah, that's it.
All right.
After Yentina, now we're doing
time to taste. Yeah, edition. Yeah, edition. Yes.
Yeah, baby, this is the edition. And I have the ankasa. Na ya bon komo kakre.
Okay.
It is self yourself. But before that, so go bonfire.
Yes.
A brief one.
Bonfire. Yeah, can you trim one?
Obanya ye gami. God there bo na.
Going way. Thank you, God, for this food. Wonderful. She'll bless us with this. As we're eating, Nana McBrown will not run. May it be tasty so that she'll call me to be her chef in Jesus' name.
Amen. Hey, Bella, we chef are you busy?
Oh, that be make it time out. Into my year, 3 months.
Chef, where you ready to tell my boss?
I know, right? Let me serve you. Oh, let me serve you first. Yes.
Bona. Me.
Small low.
My iti. Nese my ye. Ewo.
Why pee?
Kaka
Some mountain namne
Bona.
All right. Awesome. Okay.
Bon tea.
Okay.
Timo min kwabu.
What is it, mommy?
Bella.
Mini jinti eko mepe. Train.
Kwenye.
Okay, Odia, you can keep it. Just for TV.
Before I have
Muni take away pack ho.
Nah. But my pack ko no kaya on. Ni wo. Martin black pepper few. Mama beer.
I'm a bibioko. Thank you.
Pinta o manke.
Okay.
Wow.
Nice.
Oh, well. We do have one master. That's all my thing.
Ruby Allen.
Ruby Allen. Mama Ruby. When me then my testimony how baby. Wow. Berla Mundi. But I know you or your fame started from Miss My Life. 2012 and now.
2010.
2010. Hey, watch it.
Yeah, that was 8 years ago. Mache. And fear watching.
Fear watching.
I'm right? Oh, yeah.
And fear watching.
Okay.
When we knew you were second runner up.
Yes.
But it's a time for
who's that? Nyame de oye ni bibia pepe, you know. Ebi am winning yanka. I won't get this opportunity.
Don't you think say be when winning so na motivating ma wodu ha?
And no so ka ho. And I make a sense and come winning yanka me very comfortable because me nyan you ka young lady who wa ka who enjoy fame. You won't be really pushed to attain more. But na nyame nim say I'm not supposed to win and sawa mama in your person mama. So I guess it's all good. It worked for
you. And nothing na we be you nana.
And nothing na me be you no. Na ntia me ye kan say a lot of young ladies say WhatsApp me, send me DM say oh me penny how ye nti now ye nti me nso pese me TV. Meanwhile wo no enye TV na nyame de show. Maybe I wo de na was your doctor and I was say we be for makeup and pop. But just because wo me TV so na ye ofe. Nti ye send dem nso ma me koye. Wo komusa na wo bre. Well, thank you. I'm just saying, there's something within you that you need to find. It's taking me how many years to get where I didn't become Berla Mundi overnight. So that's the whole idea of BU.
There's no shortcut to heaven.
Debbie.
School no say
yeah, no school. GIJ.
From Legon.
Yes, me communications background. Me English and linguistics, which is in line with communication, but I don't really have the, proper community. My call back so that I can learn from the grassroots and understand it better. TV, so I have more to speak.
But I want to that celebrities now they be our foundation or DBB. What foundation and how they
be Debbie. So be you what Berla Mundi say. Berla Mundi Foundation say.
Okay.
And the main focus here in Kuala. I think I told you the semi who Kuala or Northern Regional cell. So I really fell in love with it. I wanted to adopt it, but I couldn't eventually. Until I started the foundation, I mean to me function Kuala. But along the line, I mean who say, and young Kuala pen I made to me abua. There are young women like me, almost needy direction. Until I'll invest some money into that aspect as well and help a lot more women, discover their talents. So I need you for one of my campus tours.
Oh, never my pajamas. Present, madam.
Thank you very much. I mean, sure.
No Berla Mundi na bushafo. Me no ebobo nkomoy. Mama Ruby, okay chile nene. McBrown's kitchen. We be try jollof fried rice. Mundi special sano. See, but one thing I want to tell you. We are MC for Vodafone BBB Award.
Yes, Vodafone Ghana Music Award.
We're superb. superb.
Thank you very much.
Baby, I'm so Michelle baby America.
Me das. Thank you. What's our friend me a catch him?
Debbie, me didi watama ko bi beka me kan
Of course.
Me frɛ phone so ahwehwɛ ni mu no dos. Na me so Michelle baby America.
Thank you.
You were on point. Oh so yeah fair. Wa na wo fa dada sa.
Nyame adom.
Oh wa esa
me siesia.
Ye do ye bibi yeye.
Nyame adom.
Bin child do ye bibi yeye.
Nyame adom.
Me da se pass Berla what. McBrown's kitchen Michelle what.
Thank you.
Next time me from you. Why?
Catch up friend me na me be more. But grade is what do you think? Out of 10. I am grade.
Me ga volume za nyada. Me ni kura. Nyada. Me ni. Ba me ntwantro. Ba dani wenya dani amerash. We also be coffee. Na me samenza nya bidi.
Me ton.
When I did that.
Some na me nua.
When I did that.
Oh, I gave you money to buy the things.
You're me.
I gave you money to rent this.
You gave today.
Please, did you rent or buy it?
I bought it.
Okay, I give you money to buy it.
I was for McBrown's kitchen here. Edition in here, didi. Ya de enkomo na ba wie ye. Nyame shira Berla Mundi se obaye na wabeti nanim, watema marubi anim, watema McBrown's kitchen anim. So when to me ahwa na wan hwe beginning na YouTube McBrown's kitchen your channel to subscribe it. Na nuane abesen ko nyina timi ye bi ehwe maye. Me dey asida Emma high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom tomato mix. The only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. Sana delay mackerel and delay sardine. Ewo makola, ewo malam market. Ewo so boy area everything. Ashama market, Tema market, Kumase market, Eastern region. Una half. Baby shop be a delay mackerel and sardine wom. Announce you there, and I'm not so muye do. Into pebina tona here. I never call name me phone say young girl and a young woman this is to know ya near say this is where she needs our support.
Of course.
And my name ya sa anko ye wo. Akọ ye obi no na kasa na na kire na me de me toma ne bia there be toma no. Enye ne to no po keke de so account nam ne mu yedu. What ya say? Sa na sida enkoma awake mineral water. Awake there. O no mo a na oyi ni sika ni mu. Enu ntimi twantro kasa preko. Emfa so nya wa wake nyina ekokwale mu. Sese so nim say me royal drinks ambassador. Intim ne kasa preko edi nkomo pa o mu koye donation na. McBrown's kitchen intimi di akire ko hwe bi say o mu ma me twantro. Di akire ko hwe bia edi sika puduo akoma cardio center for. Intino emeni kana emeni je say me bo hu dero. No matter because ejuma mu ye ejuma pa. Awake mineral water one for life. Me di asida manyonyo. Chichi nyonyo food. It's nyonyo ewo East Legon. American House traffic lights na so wa building e wo left no. Oboho anopa wi anwumre da bia obenye aduane adi ho. Sana wa hoho wo ye party program bia ofre na obehwe wo mama. Aligina makeover Aligina so East Legon. High size filling station bi na won che on the curve mu wa. And then afia ba na edi to obi a wo Instagram, obi a number wo. Aligina na kwa 3 days lesson bi na wa we your professional makeup artist enya da bia na woko baby a wo be frame makeup so omra no majuska ko ho ne ko sua odie sa su bio na dia seda Emma La Palm Royal Beach Hotel ya wo kwa yeso so aduane pa rooms ni ye fe serene ni ye fe and from a papa wo ho conference room a ho do I mean La Palm obia nim La Palm Ghana hotels a fe no La Palm account na me de aseda Emma me ho say na so my dress me ho ai this is McBrown's wardrobe oba winya hwe ntop ni na me dia I was avoid na me no be see ti ko YouTube na hwe ye nyame show o ma ye nkwa ye be hia na wo twe se ne emre ya sabre ya minim say na so wa enjoy me de me ka say see ya Bella. You still need to take away.
Yeah. Can I take everything away?
Yeah. Akula we was small then.
They're betraying.
Mr. DJ. But Mr. Mbonyo back man now fan chicken reno.
But you told me you give me some.
Kakra bi no mama.
Debbie answer me. And then me did who want me did it.
This
This is not food.
This is not not food, if this is what? If this is not food,
Okay, you play the music for her so I eat, okay? Please, thank you. Where are you taking the food to?
Better watch who you keep around you. Never fake it. No time coming, no sticking with you. Don't come in late. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? Don't come in late. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? You only know my name, you don't know my story.
McBrown's Kitchen, Adriani Petto. McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, Adriani Petto. McBrown's Kitchen, yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, Adriani Petto. McBrown's Kitchen,